This is Viji. Click a country, select the industry, search for job opening. This is the dashboard we are going to be creating step by step in this video. We have two data sets. One file that lists 6,000 largest companies by market capitalization in March 2022. Market capitalization means the value of the company. It is calculated by multiplying the share price by the total number of shares. Another file that categorizes company by industry. We will combine both tables to generate the dashboard. Let's open Tableau. Connect to Market Cap March 2022 file. Drag industry to create a default relationship between tables. Open a new worksheet and rename it as country. Double-click country field. Tableau automatically generates map. Select map options in the mark shelf. This creates filled map. Let's color code to differentiate countries. Declutter by removing the color legend. It is not required. Reposition the map. Let's hide view toolbar. This completes our first visual. Let's open a new sheet and name it as industry. Drag industry to row shelf. Drag market cap to row shelf. Click show me horizontal bar chart. Sort by descending order. Select entire view. Drag industry and market cap to labels. Format market cap by changing the display unit to billion. Declutter by hiding the axis. Filter it to show only the top 6 industries. This completes bar chart. Let's open a new sheet and name it as company to create a list of companies. Drag name to row field and select add all members. Drag measure values to the row shelf. Change the visual to table. Let's remove count columns. Reorder rank column. Format market cap to display units in billion. Drag country and industry field to row shelf. Fit width and resize the columns. This completes our third visual. Finally, one more sheet to create a reset button. Create a calculated field reset and enter a text reset in it. Drag reset to text marks and select square option in the drop-down list. Increase the size. Select entire view. Format label. Increase the size a little bit. Now looks good. Let's open a new dashboard and name it Largest Companies by Market Cap. First thing to do is to size the canvas. Let's drag the sheets, country and industry side by side. Drag the company sheet to the bottom portion of the map. The visuals resize automatically. Drag reset sheet to the bottom portion of the horizontal bar chart. Click show dashboard title. Resize the table by dragging the edge. The table is not listing the companies in the rank order. Let's go back to the company sheet and sort the name by rank in ascending order. Going back to the dashboard, now the list is in rank order. The ranking is as of March 2022 and it is expected to fluctuate. Let's update the title to include the dataset month. The static dashboard is ready. Let's add functionality to it. Let's rename the titles of the visuals first. Step 1. Click country. Step 2. Select industry. Step 3. Search opening. Step 4. Reset to default view. Let's click the filter symbol at the map and the horizontal bar chart. This action helps to filter the companies based on the selected country and industry. The next action is to create a hyperlink to the table visual. Click Dashboard menu and select Actions. Add Actions and select Go to URL. Uncheck Country, Industry and Reset Sheets. Run actions on select. Type in the Google search URL. Insert name and country. Add a text carriers at the end. Click OK. Now let's add one more action to reset the filter. Add action, filter. Keep source as reset. Run action on hover. Clearing the selection will show all values. Uncheck reset in the target sheet. Select country and industry filters to reset. Click OK. Again, now the action time. Click Canada. Select Tech and Software Industry. The table lists all tech and software companies by the order of ranking. Clicking Shopify takes directly to the link to the Shopify carrier site. Let's close it. Lastly, reset to include all companies by hovering the mouse on the reset button. Let's repeat. We can also click the escape button in the keyboard to reset. Let's click the main canvas and add a light gray background color. We can also add text to dashboard. Tiled option lets us to lay the sheets in tiling manner. Tableau automatically resizes the sheets based on the positioning. Let's change the option to floating and add an image to show the difference. Click presentation mode. This completes the dashboard tutorial. A link is available in the descriptions to download the dataset and the Tableau file. Thank you. Click, select, watch and enjoy. Learning is fun.